Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and I am doing absolutely fine. My DMs are full with questions from some of you guys asking me about my updated skincare routine. And since past 1.5 years, thanks to COVID, we have been hearing a lot about vitamin C and how to include vitamin C effectively in our daily routine, be it internally and externally. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys my vitamin C day and night routine, which is just for ₹999. So without any more further ado, let's get into the video. This is a simple yet very effective skincare routine for all those acne, pigmentation, all those general problems we generally face. And here are the 3 products that we are going to discuss in today's video. So we have here Lakme 925 Vitamin C Facial Serum, and we have a Vitamin C Day Cream and a Vitamin C Night Cream. Before I start digging into the products and its goodnesses, in general, Vitamin C plays an important role in restoring damaged skin and provides a healthy glow. Even though in this current situation, we may not step out in the sun, but our skin tends to get dry, dull, because of the air pollution or stress or irregular sleeping patterns, and I would highly recommend, and it is very important, to include vitamin C in our routines. Now let's talk about the products that I have here. The first one I'm going to talk about is the Lakme 925 Vitamin C Facial Serum. This particular product retails for ₹549, and this is a 30 ml of product. And look at the packaging, it's super chic and classy and very vanity friendly. The consistency of the product is not so runny and it's very smooth and perfect for the application. This serum is enriched with Kakadu plum extract. This is a gel based serum and it contains powerful antioxidants, 2% active vitamin C concentrate and vitamin E. Here the hero ingredient of this product is the Kakadu plum, which is a powerful antioxidant which energizes dull skin, improves skin evenness and provides radiance. It also says that it contains 100 times more vitamin C than oranges. Vitamin C serum also protects against pigmentation, anti-aging, environmental damages. It also brightens your skin. You just need to take a small amount of this, apply it on a cleansed face, and you're good to go. Regarding the fragrance, it has a sweet citrus orangey sort of fragrance which is very mild and pleasing. Then comes the next product, which is the Vitamin C Day Cream. Now this is how the packaging looks like. It's again a simple and a classy tube. This retails for ₹349 and it's a 50 grams of product. This is how the consistency looks like. It's not super thick and the texture is very smooth and it gets into the skin like magic. It also hydrates, moisturizes and nourishes skin. Very light on skin. Keeping our weather conditions in mind, this melts into our skin like magic and you don't even feel there's something going on oily on your face. It fits perfectly for our weather conditions. Here the hero ingredient is the shea butter, which is rich in antioxidants, good for collagen production. And this also has vitamin E, which again hydrates and moisturizes skin. Also, I would like to mention that all these products does repair damaged skin, fights problems like aging, hyperpigmentation, pollution, dullness and sun damage. Again, these are all dermatologically tested and suitable for all skin types. You just need to massage this cream every morning on a cleansed face and you're good to go. The last product I have here is the Vitamin C Night Cream. Now the name says it all, this is going to go in the night. If you ask me how I'm going to use this routine, I use the serum in the morning followed by the day cream, and again at night I use the vitamin C serum and followed by the night cream. Again, this has a very simple and classy tube packaging. This one retails for ₹399 again for a 50 grams of product. The texture of this product is also very light on the skin. Here the hero ingredient is the Murmuru butter, which hydrates and moisturizes skin and keep it moisturized overnight. It also improves the skin texture, make it soft and supple. Again, this product is also having shea butter as its ingredient. which is rich in antioxidants and good for collagen production. Shea butter is also a great moisturizing agent for a night cream, especially to keep it hydrated overnight. Shea butter is one of the best ingredients to have it in your cream. You just need to take a little bit of night cream on your fingertips. You just need to apply it on cleansed face in circular motions, and you're good to go. So this is it, guys. This is a very simple yet very effective vitamin C day and night skincare routine. If you're a beginner, then this is a very good skincare routine for you all to jumpstart your skincare journey. And if you wish to try any of these products, then I will leave the links to this in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. I hope this video is helpful to you guys in some or the other way. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel also, and comment below which one of these products is your favorite. Mine has to be the vitamin C serum. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, lots of love. Bye.